Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is I, JayCIngram, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, girl, I am going to be doing a Foundation Friday featuring the new Born This Way matte foundation. This isn't really new, but it is new to me and I've never tried this. I like the original formula, so I was like, let me give this a try to see if I'll like this as well. So if you guys want to see me try out this foundation and see how it reacts to my skin, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified for all my future videos. And that's just that. At any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, again, give this video a big thumbs up. And with all that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I already did my eyes. I'm about to start off, of course, with the Born This Way foundation. I'm going to, since it is matte, I'm about to use the hydration, whatever the hell it's called. I'm gonna use that just to hydrate my skin. Since it is fall, y'all want to definitely hydrate y'all skin as much as y'all can. Make sure y'all also check out my video I just released Tuesday, and that is a get ready with me talking about my favorite movies, pretty much. Now to go in with the foundation, of course y'all already know I'm about to use a brush. Girl, I don't use sponges, and that's just that. So the shade I got is Mocha, and it's 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation. So I'm in Mocha in the original Born This Way foundation, and I just also wanted to read some claims about this foundation as well. I've never watched a review about this foundation as well. So yeah, I've never watched a review. So I'm just going into this thing just straight through. Okay, so it says this oil-free 24-hour matte foundation masterfully diffuses the line between makeup and skin. Our true matte formula stays completely color true while covering imperfections to reveal the all-day shine-free look of natural flawless skin. Lightweight wear and coverage so undetectable. Okay, they say, like, I guess undetectable is like the whole theme of this. They'll think you were born this way. So I'm about to just pump a few. Actually, I'm going to just go straight across my face. So one pump on this side, one pump on that side, and like a half a pump on my forehead. So let me get the rest of this off. I don't know if y'all knew this, but I absolutely love the original Born This Way. That foundation pretty much, it just matched me so well. It really did. It matched me so well. And the first time I ever used it. So is it weird? Did this just vanish on my skin? It vanished. This is lightweight. I thought it would be more full coverage because it's matte, but it's not. I'm about to just blend it out on my forehead now. I'm about to just pat instead of swipe because I want more coverage. This matches me just like the first Born This Way, and it is perfect. I don't know what it is, but like the first Born This Way matched me like perfect. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh my God, I always say gorgeous, but so I still see a little discoloration down here and on the sides of my face. So I'm going to add a little bit more coverage to those areas, and I'm going to focus more on those. So this is really giving me the first Born This Way tease, like matching my skin perfectly. If y'all want to see that old ass video of me trying the first Born This Way foundation, click the eye up here, like definitely. But that video's old and the quality is bad. But yes, it's really matching me like that. I still have actually the first Born This Way. I still have my first bottle, and it still has some foundation in it. I actually like this. I actually like this foundation. out of like this whole foundation hunt, is this better than the NARS Soft Matte? In my opinion, no. But it's a perfect match for me. As y'all can see, it's a perfect match for me. So that's the only reason why I'm really liking it. And it just makes my skin like look awake, and I like it. It's not really matte to me. Like the NARS Soft Matte gave me matte, like a soft matte, but this really doesn't. I don't know. It really doesn't. So far, I'm liking this foundation though. I can't lie. I'm gonna put this right over in my foundation stash after this. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my face like I normally do. Like, was just set everything, and I have another video to film too.
Little.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to hop off camera, pop on some lashes, my lip, and change my clothes. And let's just get into this final rundown of this foundation. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. So I did end up setting my face with, like, you know, a dewier setting spray just to see how this foundation would actually react to it. And so far, I love the foundation. It's literally the same natural finish foundation, but in a matte formula. I really didn't get too matte from this, but this is a good foundation. Like, it really is. Do I say you need this foundation in your collection? No, you don't need it. Okay, you don't. But it is a really good foundation, and that's just that, period. Yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this little foundation Friday hunt video, so give this video a big thumbs up at any point in this video. You guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me. If you guys enjoyed this foundation, or if you guys like this foundation at all, give this video a big thumbs up, y'all. And with all of that being said, y'all, I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.